It might as well. All right, so now we're gonna take the brackets, put them on the back. I always recommend when doing this, leave yourself a little room. And that's gonna go on the outside. Make sure these are on the outside so that we can get access to them. But I always say, like, make sure this is kind of in the middle, so that way you have the option, if needed, to raise it up or down, because obviously it's a lot easier than redoing the mount. So all right, now for our measurements, we're going to put the bracket on the back, measure from the top of here down to the bottom of the TV. That'll give us our measurement of where we need to basically put this unit on the wall. And then we'll find studs, which we're doing right now. We're going to measure from the top to the bottom of here, to the TV. Because that's what this is. So you can see there we're at the very tip of this. So we don't really have to leave this on there, because it's gonna hit that ridge here. So we'll just take this off. And then from here, right at 35. So then we'll mark where we want the bottom of the TV, where that tape is, up 35. And that's, then we'll find our studs, install our toggle bolts. For this one, we're gonna use toggle bolts. We may have to get a 2x4 or a piece of plywood, so that way the structural integrity doesn't wear on the aluminum studs, which this thing weighs a ton. I think the mount weighs more than the TV itself. So let's go to measurements and we'll go from there.